Marcus, a history enthusiast, purchased a 19th-century mansion once owned by the Rothschild family, with plans to restore its historic charm while his wife, Hilary, attended the Milan Fashion Festival. While working in the basement, he noticed an odd section of wall that seemed different from the rest of the house. Intrigued, he knocked on it and heard an echo, suggesting a hidden room behind it. This discovery reminded him of local legends about the estate's secret passages, which he had previously dismissed. Marcus felt a strong urge to break through the wall immediately, but he decided to investigate the house's history first. He visited the local library, hoping to find clues about the mansion's past. There, he discovered scattered legends of secret rooms and a family crypt, but official records were vague, providing no solid evidence. Still, Marcus was determined to find the truth behind the wall. As Hilary's return from Milan approached, Marcus's curiosity grew. When she came home, he eagerly showed her the mysterious wall in the basement. Hilary was skeptical and didn't see anything unusual, but Marcus was convinced that the wall was a disguise hiding something incredible. He speculated that it could be a secret room or storage space. However, Hilary was concerned and asked if he was sure about his findings, fearing it could lead to something dangerous. Despite his excitement, Marcus agreed to delay further exploration to respect Hilary's concerns. He even contacted a real estate agent, contemplating the idea of moving to a new house. However, his curiosity remained strong, and he spent more time at the library researching the history of the estate. The librarian warned him that the evidence was unreliable, but Marcus pressed on, increasingly certain that the hidden room was the key to the mystery. One day, while Hilary was away, Marcus couldn't resist any longer. He rushed home and stood in front of the wall, torn between doubt and excitement. Overcoming his hesitation, he swung a sledgehammer at the wall with all his strength. It collapsed, revealing a hidden door, and Marcus's heart raced as he stepped into the dusty room behind it. The room appeared unremarkable at first, filled with dust and unfinished plaster. However, Marcus's investigation revealed wooden frames beneath the dust. He carefully removed the cover to uncover portraits of the Rothschild family. As he continued exploring, he discovered a thick stack of documents scattered across the floor, including personal letters, bills, and account books, valuable pieces of family history. Excited and anxious, Marcus collected the documents and rushed to the library to share his discovery with the head librarian. She was thrilled by the find and suggested that these documents could be the key to solving the mystery of the Rothschild family's legacy. Marcus handed over the materials, feeling a sense of relief that the secret had been uncovered, and quickly returned home to erase any trace of his search before Hilary returned. The librarian contacted Marcus later with a breakthrough. She revealed that the Rothschilds were not involved in criminal activities as previously believed, but were actually philanthropists. The scandalous rumors about them had been spread by a rival family hoping to tarnish their reputation. Marcus felt immense relief as the mystery of the Rothschilds' hidden history began to unravel. The true story of the Rothschilds came to light through the librarian's research. They had been the victims of a smear campaign, falsely accused of embezzlement and murder, and had hidden the truth to protect their legacy. Marcus felt a great sense of pride, knowing the Rothschild name would finally be cleared and the family's true history would be honored. A group of scholars and the librarian organized an exhibition dedicated to the Rothschild family's contributions, showcasing the newly discovered documents. The exhibition was a success, drawing large crowds eager to learn the truth. Marcus and Hilary felt a deep sense of accomplishment, knowing they had played a part in uncovering the Rothschilds' legacy and clearing their name.